Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you our first major snowstorm here on Prince Edward Island for 2022.
How we get from this to that.
Right here, on this ground where we are standing, holding dreams with open hands against the sky. So clear, it's better than we planned it. This rising sun was meant for you and I. We see it now, the story comes together, beauty lives in every chapter.
Okay, as you can see, there is a little bit of snow on the ground. Everything had been melted away, most of it that we had previously. It's just starting to snow. It's now Friday, January the 7th, I believe. And we have a major snowstorm warning for Prince Edward Island, New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, and it's starting to snow now. So let me document on what our first major snowfall looks like for 2022 here in Summerside on PEI. Supposed to be bad. Let's see. It's supposed to be extremely windy, like 90 kilometers an hour winds. Wind gusts, so it's starting up, as you may hear. It's getting cold, it's -2. Okay, it's been 2 hours, and as you can see, it's snowing, and it's windy. And it seems to get worse, the wind that is. Let me turn that around for you, so you can see. But it's minimal still, more to come. Okay, I think I'm ready to go outside. It's windy, it's cold, and I hope you can hear this. I tried to put a microphone here because of the wind, so we'll try our best. It's nasty outside. You probably can't see it, but oh, it's windy. Let me show you how nasty it is. Well, it's actually not nasty. I think it's great, but our first major snowstorm on PEI. You can see the wind flowing quite heavily, the flag and everything flowing down. But around the corner it is quite windy. Streets are covered. Oh, and it's flowing quite a bit from here. You can see a little bit of a whiteout on the road, nothing major. But it is snowing and the dog is happy. You can see the snow coming down. Our friends Leslie and Jason across the street, over there with the young little puppy Molly in the video that I released last week. Their first major snowstorm as well, as they are. Yeah, it's the first winter here in Canada. Lovely. Hard to see behind me earlier. It's a little bit better now, but it is storming. Wind is not as bad here between the houses. Snow is probably around 1 inch. We're supposed to get 30 centimeters, 34 centimeters, so whatever that is in inches. 4, 6, yeah, it's 12 inches, 13 inches of snow, so quite a bit. We'll see throughout the day on what it is like. I continue showing as much as I can. I can hear the wind. With the microphone in my hoodie, probably can't hear it as much, which is great. All that wind noise is gone. And as you can see, yeah, it's coming down. I love the snow. Want to see what the end result is. Definitely our first major snowstorm on PEI. And yeah, and now the wind is coming down. Whoa. I don't know if you can see it in the pictures on the video, but yeah, it's coming down. My hands are getting cold, so my phone is not responding to it all, but here it is. We're now on Green Street and Summer Street in Summerside, and we got Central back there. Well, it's howling out there. I will try to go out again later on when it's dark, but as you can see, it really blows. The wind, the snow, and everything sort of collects behind houses, sheds, cars, and yeah, I don't think you want to go out there. Oh, I have to let the little one outside. Oh, she runs. Whoa. Well, she goes quick. It's windy. I don't know if you can see it back there. Sorry about the wind. But I think she's done. That's how quickly she does her business. Oh. Trying to show the snow. Oh, it's coming down. It's getting deeper for sure. Got about 5-6 inches in the back here, snow drifts. And blowing hard, blowing hard. Just showing some of what's going on. People down the street, and it's really blowing hard. Wow. Not sure if you can see it all. Sure, coming down. Here it howls. Trying to show the snow, how it blows in this first major snowstorm on Prince Edward Island. Yeah, just wrapping up the outside. It is very windy. Only a few people out here in that storm, but you can see why. Still very windy, up to 90 kilometer an hour winds. You see it at the light. It's coming down like crazy. So it looks like the snow plows are coming out and are starting to clear the roads. Not that it matters, because it's still extremely windy and snowy till tomorrow morning. Heavy duty, they go right at it with big equipment. Look at that. Holy moly. Oof. Very windy around the corner. Definitely some troopers out there with their trucks trying to see if they can make it through the snow. Yeah, a little bit of snow. Winds are high, snow is blowing, and yeah, don't know what to say. I cleared the walkway earlier and it's all covered up again. Look at this here. The wind blows around the corner. I can't even go there. Wow. I don't know if you can see the car, but it looks like it's buried into the snow. Things are really drifting here with the snow behind everything, but yeah, still coming down very heavy. Okay, this is probably the worst of it all. Yeah, snow is piling up. So the snowstorm is gone. Sun is trying to get through, and everybody's trying to shovel, including us. So you can see the car. Yeah, some digging. Our snow globe. And then this is what happens. And that's just the first major snowstorm. I'm sure there's more to come. Now we need to try to find where our walkway is. Somewhere down there. Yeah, definitely beautiful. -7. Gorgeous day. Just a better idea on what drifting snow can do to a backyard. And see, even out there on the street, there. Lots to do still. Turn the car on defrost. Hopefully it will help us clear some of the stuff on top off. I don't even know if you can hear. We'll see. Now to the front of the house, which is right here. Mountains. It's almost as high as I am from the street cleaner. Yeah, just a few inches of snow. But we made it through our first snowstorm. This is our driveway, so that's what we have to dig through. But we hope the neighbors come and help us with the snowblower. As you can see, it would be a lot of work. PEI. Well, our first major snowstorm on Prince Edward Island. Huge, in my opinion, but I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please share it with your friends and family. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for me so that you know when new videos are coming out. Thank you for watching. This is how we live in Canada, Canadian life. Cold, stormy Canadian life.